Mounting Accessory Selector is really a great tool if you want to make sure that you are choosing the right accessory for your cameras. Although you could go to the camera page on ACTi.com and look for the related models, you will find a list of accessories, but sometimes you're not quite sure, like if there are multiple accessories combined together, one connects to another, so what exactly do I need to choose? And also, what are the reminders or tips for my installation? Here is an example. When we are here at the main page, you see there is a button here called Mounting Selector. You enter the tool, and first step, you choose the model name. I chose A956, and it loads this area here below here. And now the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the surface and the mounting method. So my surface is ceiling here, and the method that is currently available here is pendant mount. So this specific model supports pendant mount for surface, right? It doesn't go directly onto the surface, but uses this short pipe here, which can be extended. So if you want to know more about the solution here, you will click on the solution, and you will find out that this A956 is supported by this part number called PMAX-0115. It's the pendant mount. If you want to know more about this product, you click on this item. It opens the product page. You can study the specifications, resources, related products. You will see that this pendant mount is actually used by a lot of cameras. And also there are some reminders here. The camera can be mounted onto the hard ceiling by pendant solution. The cable goes through from the ceiling and into the tube, then connects to the camera. And this is a generic photo here. If you want to look how it more or less appears on the installation here, you can go back and switch to the different mount. For example, let's see the pole mount. Pole mount looks like this. So you have a pole, maybe a traffic lights, and then you can have the pole mount accessory, which is PMAX-0531, and then connect to this kind of extension here, which is a wall mount. So PMAX-0346. So combining these two together, you can mount A956 camera onto the pole, which has a diameter within this range here. Sometimes the project would require that there is a junction box right behind the camera. You can add that as well. Now this is your bill of materials over here. PMAX-0702. This junction box will connect between this wall mount and the pole mount here. And also there are some reminders. So this is pretty easy to use tool. And as a last step, you can export as a report. You can add this model and this information to the report, choose the next model, repeat the steps, and finally you can view the report and you can just add it to your project proposal. This was Mounting Accessory Selector.